Right now we are about to go to the beach and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Kayla and Sabite me. Woo! Yeah. And was biting me guys. Oh yeah. Yeah. So we're reach on the beach and whatever. We come back. Yeah. Guys, we just reached the beach. Everybody else is in the water. So we're gonna test it out and come back and tell you guys if it's cold or not. It's very cold, but me I just enjoy myself and then we'll finish and whatever I'll come back to you guys. The water was nice. I'm here having some cheese strips. Katie, you alright?
Yeah.
Sarah, you alright?
They are eat.
Everybody else have them cheese strips. I don't know. Good view, isn't it?
I'm not a for you.
You have to walk with the cup then. So we kind of depend on what is breakfast or lunch? Breakfast. What is onion? So I catch you guys later. Oh, the slice in there. I'll take one picture. It's nice coming out in the beach very early in the morning because a lot of crowd is here. Thank you. So, later guys. Guys, this is the river and over there says the beach. And the fishermen over there, so trying to climb it a while ago, it was a struggle as you guys could see. You're not trying to climb it? No, yeah, that's me short. But me short too. What? Very nice. Enjoy my last few days here and now go home. So guys, that's a dog swimming with the owner. Our next dog right this way. Watch it. While we were over the river, all them? While we can't remember them now. When we reach up, while we were in the river, we saw some soldier crab. I want to show you. Let me do this. Which one? We put it in the cup. This cup, you see? There. And the fisherman told us it's called soldier crab. I want to give you all a better view. Watch your dog come to me. Watch it. See? Soldier crab. Eat almond. Yeah! Pice came so late. Pice. Wait, you should tell him why you come so late now.
What is it? Ovio. Ovio.
So we went to a party last night, but now we're ready to leave because I had a lot of fun. Yeah. So we're just gonna change and leave. I got my stick. I can stick on it. I'm making a remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys.
The general a 2 pot of water, you know, one has
It was fun. Katie.
This 250.
Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, tell me or I'm a family.
everybody. Everybody.
So Lisa, you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did. But the sun get to me now.
Yeah. So I get ready to leave.
Another more bed more on deck.
What you gonna do?
One more bed more on deck. No, no, my bed's supposed to lit.
Whew. So
Come in here, plug and put.
yeah, just chilling at the kids. Go back in the water shower. Oh, the sun. Hot man. Taylor, can I ask him again? Can I go see him again? No. I want crab. No, army crab.
I'm not well at all.
Why, you afraid?
After I can't have it, come
We are finally leaving. Go home and wash my hair. That's catch me. So, what you can just love it. I'm gonna murder somebody. Yeah. Today was fun. First, I'm gonna tell you what happened. Reach home, had dinner, my beard, wash my hair, face the shiny bomb my ear, then tomorrow I'm gonna put it on.
I brush my teeth now. You don't have to what? Feet again. Stop it.
So she's brushing her teeth right now, being a good lad. Can I like see your style still now? I kind of look different. Put it on tomorrow. So, just really come on this to end today's vlog. Remember, tell me what you guys to do for me. Post my videos on your social pages and tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and tell them to like and comment that we want in the video. And also you guys can screenshot me some of your favorite parts of my vlogs and tweet me on Twitter, or you can post on Instagram and I can like it. I put it on any of my social media platform and I either like it or retweet or if I snapshot me, screenshot it and put it on my snap. So I'll see you guys tomorrow and I hope you enjoy today's vlog. Kelly, you want to say a good night? Kelly?
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow, you guys. Bye bye.